Hello, this is Mrs. Bobby, and we are going to get started on our first thing with discount. All right, so discount is a deduction in cost of an item, usually offered by a store. So make sure you're taking notes on one of your blank pages. So discount is going to make your price of your item cheaper. So I'm going to first show you how to do this the standard algorithm way, okay? How we all learned it when I was younger and so on and so forth. And then I'm going to show you a faster way to do this for the most part. If the numbers are nice, then it's an easier way to do this, and I will offer that up. And if you want to use that method, you're more than welcome to. Otherwise, this is a clean way to do it. So here we go. $20, 20% off. You jump your decimal point 2 spots like you always do, and you multiply it by the number. Okay, this 0 right here just produces a line of zeros, so you just put 1 down. Now you're over to the 2. 2 times 0, 0, 0, 0, 4. 2 spots here, 2 spots here, a total of 4 jumps. So your discount is going to be $4. So then to find the cost of the item, you simply take $20 minus $4, and you'll get $16 is the price of your new item. Okay, so looking at another one. Okay, $35, 25% off. Okay, so 25% off is like dividing this number in 4. You have to kind of start to see this. 25 is like a quarter. That's 4 and $1, 4 and a whole, that kind of thing. So multiplying by 0.25. Okay, so we have 0, 0, 25, 15, 16, 17. Drop your 0. 1, 2 more zeros. 10, 7. 0, 0, 5, 7, 8. 4 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Discount $8.75. So we have $35 and we subtract $8.75. We're all at home right now, so doing this in our head probably isn't happening. $26.25 is the new cost of your item. Okay. Now, last but certainly not least, before we go into the different kind of method to do this, 75%, boom, boom, 2 jumps. It's always 2. There's 2 zeros and a 100. So when we do all this, we have 0, 25, 2, 10, 6, drop a 0, 0, 35, 3, 14, 8, 0, 5, 7, 3, 10. That, I think I got that right. Let's make sure. Let's just check the math. 25, 0, 2, 10, 6, 0, 0, 35, 3, 14, 8. I think that's good. Let me just check. 120, 50 times 0.75. Yes, so we jump over 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get $90.37. Looks to the 5, and the 5 says, make me bigger. So your discount is $90.38. Okay, remember 37 looks to the 5. So $90.38. So we take $120.50 and we minus $90.38. Some of you are like, that's almost the whole cost of the item. Yes, because you're getting 75% off. So we can look at it in a different sense. If you're getting 75% off of the price, you are only paying 25% for that item. Like here, you're getting 25% off. So you're still paying 75% of the whole cost. So this number is not too far off of this one. Whereas this one's really far off of this one because you're almost getting it for free. Okay? So shortcut on this stuff. All right, so back up to the first example. Now I'm going to erase stuff. You don't erase stuff. Okay? So we know that $4 is the discount here. So I'm going to show you a trick. So you're in the store, the item is $20. You jump the decimal point over one spot. That makes $2. That is equivalent to 10% of the cost. So if I need 20%, I need 2 of that. So another 10% off would be another $2. So a grand total of 20% means we are saving $4. We can do that in our head. We shift over the decimal point one spot. That's what it is. So if the tag on the item was $20 in your head, you jump it over and say, oh, it's $2, $2. And yet it's 10%. So 20% would be $4, 30% would be $6, so on and so forth. That's an easy way to do that. Now, it gets a little more tricky when, you're kind of doing this stuff in your head and you're in a store. So like $35 for 10% off is you jump it one spot, so that's $3.50. And another 10% off, that's another $3.50. But then we only need a 5%, so we need half a $3.50. So some of you are like, well, I don't even know what's half a $3.50. So if you think about it, if you don't know what half a $3.50 is, you gotta, it's $1.75. But if you didn't know that, that would be where you would struggle, and you'd be like, oh, it's like $1.75, $2, and you get roughly what your discount was. And 3, 6, 7, 8.75, still the same match. Okay, so I'll show you another example. You don't have to write this one down. Just humor me. It doesn't have anything to do with any of these. But so you go to American Eagle, and you want to get a pair of jeans that are $39.95, and you get an additional, say, 30% off the sale price. And this is your sale price ticket. There's your tag that's hanging off the pants. You jump your decimal point once. That's $3.99, but it looks to the 5 and it says make me bigger. So $3.99 is basically $4. So there's 10%, there's 20%, there's 30%. You get to save an extra $12. So you would take roughly $40 and you would take away $12, and you would see that you are paying roughly $28 for your pants. So that's just another way of looking at it. That's just a different mode. Now remember, this mode over here is just always gonna work. But you can always do this, this little method, and you can always rewind it. And as always, this is Mrs. Bobby, and I love math. And can't forget that.